G'day legends, welcome to the channel. It's John from Old Mate Moto, and today we're going to do some lever protectors on the Duke 890. I got these levers from a place called Fruugo. I believe they may make OEM parts for KTM. They're a company from the UK, so I ordered them. Not sure how much they were. I think they were around $60 or something like that. They're meant to be CNC machine, metal, whatever they're made of, so they should be strong. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what we're going to get in the packet. All right, cool. All right, so it's come in this bubble wrap thing. Let's have a look. I'm hoping that all I may need is some Allen keys to take off the bar ends that I've got there now and put these back on. So let's have a look. Here we go. There's the packet. I know it's a bit dim in here in my old garage, but here we go. What are we getting? So let's just put that aside there. What are we getting out of this? So we're getting the bar ends. They actually look pretty well made. Yeah, it's not too bad. So we got two of those. Got these bits on there that say 890 because that's what we got here. And we got a little bag full of the expander and all that sort of stuff. So I am going to hope that all I need is some Allen keys. So yeah, let's crack on. Let's get it done. Okay, so this is what we've got at the moment. We've just got to take these bar ends off. As I mentioned the other week in one of my other videos I put out riding up one of the roads, I got these sent. I got these off Amazon again. They're pretty bloody good. They seem to hold their own. Quality's okay. Made out of metal again. So anyway, let's get these off and get these bar ends going. Right, let's get these bar ends off. And let's see what size Allen key I have. So it's a 5mm. So let's get this side done. Remember when you're pulling these out to get every single bit in there. So we're taking out these. We're going to get out of our plastic bag the bits. Oh, here we are. I'll just chuck them on my table. So this is happening as we speak, so let's see how it actually goes. So they're going to go on there like that. I'm just trying to figure this out. Okay. So in the kit you've got this the expanding sleeve, and you've got the nut that is cone shaped so that when it pushes in it expands it. Now there's two in here. This one, the bigger one's too big. So we're going to use this one. So we've got the long screw here. We'll put that in there like so. Or actually what we will do is we will get the we'll get this and put that in there first. And then we'll go like that. And let's give that a crack, yeah? I'm not sure, it didn't come with anything to go on the end, so I'm not sure what that's going to look like. Okay, so now we need, oh no, we're still on the 5mm. So that is really close. I believe there possibly should be a spacer that goes on there. But, you know what I think might happen? Let's just try this again. Let's take this out for a second. I believe it might go on the end of here. Right, so we've taken off the original bar ends, and I think I've figured out that if you put these on They're going to go on. Now, I've never had these before. If I fit them about there, if I go next to them, they're really close. I've got about 3 mil, I think, of a gap. So we'll try that. We'll see how we go. Righto, so we'll pop that in there again. We will put that there with the expander bit facing inwards eventually when it gets in there. Just tighten that up with your hands. Just have a little bit of resistance, probably a little bit more. All right, so I can feel a little bit of resistance in there now. What I shall do is I'll just have them a tiny bit lower, grab my 5 mil. If I go just a tad lower, I'm still protecting them. I want to make sure that when I'm pushing the brakes that everything is clear, which it is. I'm just going to go a trifle lower. Right, do these up as tight as I can. Still moving a fair bit though, I must say. Will they protect my levers? If they're going to go up and down, no. But if I'm going like that, let's see how, I might have to put in, yeah, I reckon, trial and error. Let's get these out. They are loose as a goose. So that didn't work, ladies and gentlemen. So maybe the other sleeve. So now I've got these out, we might just try the other sleeve now and just make sure that I'm using the right bits. Well, I have been at these now for a good half an hour and I would have thought it'd be a 10-minute job. Now let me just say that the company I got these from are called Fruugo and they were sent from China. So obviously have a distributor in China and because we're in Australia here, it makes sense, it's halfway. Still took 2 weeks to get here though, mind you. Now, these don't fit. They do not fit. The bar ends here that the original ones, perfect. I've even got some bar end mirrors that I got off Amazon. No, I didn't actually, sorry. I stand corrected, I actually got them from KTM. Obviously they fit perfectly as well. But these do not fit well whatsoever. So as I was saying before, you've got 2 sleeves that go in here. The small one, it's just way too small, and the long Allen key nut thing that they give you with it, and the cone screw, bolt, whatever you want to call it, to expand it, doesn't expand it enough, so it's never going to grip. So, and this one is the other one is too big to go in, so it won't fit. Even if I crimp it with some pliers and try and put it in, it will not go. It will not even go on the ends of here because it just doesn't fit. So I'm stuck with these now. They'll fit, but they'll move around. There's no way, unless anyone out there's got any ideas on how to make them fit with the bits that are just too small. They're just too loose in there. I've tried putting some electrical tape around there to see if it would grip and get rid of some of that ullage or space, and then it just the cone screw just couldn't get in there then. So at the moment, Fruugo, it's a big fail for what you say fits a KTM 890 22 model. I don't know what to do with them now. If anyone out there's got any suggestions. I also figured out that the long screw thing that they give you, it fits in there, and then as you're tightening it, it cuts into the actual bracket here, the lever protector, and sits in there. It's like it needs a washer in there, and it didn't come with, when you put it on, it didn't even come with a cap end to make it look flush. It's just, it doesn't look finished to me. It's like they're missing bits. They need a washer in there for sure, because the heads on these bolts are too small. It was sinking in there, and you can't see it, but it's cut into the, which I've figured out now, soft metal. So Fruugo, if you're listening, not good enough. Spend money on these things. You expect them to be good. You advertise them as they're fitting a 22 model KTM Duke 890 GP. Not very good. Don't fit very well. So if you're listening, get your bits right, because people are spending their good money on these things and wasting their time. So I'm going to have to put the bar ends, the original ones, back on. And I don't know. Like I said, anyone out there's got any ideas to make these work? They're the Fruugo ones. Got them on the internet. I went to their site, and it said that they were a company in the UK. So I was hoping, coming from the UK, that they would fit well. They're obviously manufactured in China, because when you see the tracking of them saying that it's on their way, for me, it was from China. Steel's not strong enough. The bits aren't good enough. So Fruugo, come on, man, get it together. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you've got something for me to learn, send us a line. In the meantime, yeah, keep subscribing, keep watching. Old Mate Moto. I'm here every week. It's what I do now. Don't do it for making money. I just do it because I enjoy it and it fills in the time, because I am a retired veteran, and I just enjoy working on bikes and riding bikes with my mates. So anyway, guys, catch you next time. Have a cracker. All right. Good on you.